Alright, today we're going to be getting rid of this monstrosity of a GPU sag bracket that came with my Power Color Hellhound 7900 XT Spectral White. And we're going to be replacing it with this guy. This is 3D printed by my brother. I kind of had the idea, but he 3D printed it for me. The card has several holes here already pre-threaded for server mount, so we're going to be utilizing those holes to prop the card up with this. So let's get into doing that. Also, this one hits the fan unless you have it barely on there. So you have to put it just on the corner or it'll stop the fan from actually spinning. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually use this guy to prop it up over here to get it at the height that we need. And then this one I already pre-marked the holes and they're going to match up already. So it's going to go just like that in here. I'm going to line that up. Screw it in. Screw in this side. There we go. Just like that, guys. We're in. I'm going to take this one off. Now the card is sitting on that bracket. No movement whatsoever. It's all held on right here against the basement of the case. And that looks much better, if I don't say so myself. Much better. It looks like it came like that from the factory. Alright guys, well this is going to be a short video. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Got more content coming.